Came up, that's on me. Stay true, that's on me. No help, that's on me for real. Came up, that's on me. Stay true, that's on me. No help, that's on me for real. 2 Chainz, doubly souls need quarantine in the same league. We don't ball the same. She want all the fame. I hear it all the time. She said she loved me. I said, whoa, falling like, okay, made a million off a dinner fork. Watch me switch it up, walked in. Ill homie alert, ill homie alert. You need that work, I got that work. Got girls in my condo. Just bought a shirt that call me Mercedes Benz condo from the A to Toronto. We let the metal go off. In my so hard and let the metal go. Take the go off. It's that sauce, it's that juice. Chief, homie, God bless you. If having a bad girl was grandma, be arrested, true. Got everything, I got everything. I cannot complain, I cannot. I don't even know how much I really made. I forgot, it's a lie. Forget that, never mind what I got. I don't watch that cause I ball. Came up, that's on me. Stay true, that's on me. No help, that's on me for real. Came up, that's on me. Stay true, that's on me. No help, that's on me for real. I touched down in 86. Knew was the man by the age of 6. I even kissed the girl that used to babysit, but that was years later. Crazy. Heard you knew, homie hated it. Damn wins on me, don't play that. We get paid a lot, we get paid it. And my new is like the greatest. Goddamn. Ain't no wishing over on the inside. We don't mess with y'all. We don't mess with y'all. No different over on the inside. Goddamn. Cause myself just told myself, either more man, you need no help cashing checks. And I'm binging up my chest. I'm about as big as it gets. I'm the light skin key sweat. I'ma make it last forever. Snatch your tongue cause I ain't done yet. Look like Potnell, I was made for all this. Please excuse my table manners. I was making table dances, counting off 8 advances. Goddamn. Got everything, I got everything. I cannot complain, I cannot. I don't even know how much I really made. I forgot, it's a lie. Forget that, never mind what I got. I don't watch that cause I ball. Came up, that's on me. Stay true, that's on me. Yeah, homie, that's on me. Yo, shut the heck up. I got way too much in my mental. I learned from what I've been through. I didn't do what I didn't do. Still waking up like the rest do. Not complicated, it's simple. Got girls a whole bench full skirt. I'm everything but gentle. But I'm still taking my time. Man, I guess I'm just old-fashioned wearing retros. That's old-fashioned. See, homie, toe tapping, I paint pics, see it, good text, need a hit, keep a bra on the floor, year round like season 6, I plead the fifth, drinking now, loading now, my new girls on glee, probably making more money than me. I swear to God, I got 99 problems, but a girl ain't one. I got 99 problems, getting rich ain't one. Like I got trust issues. Sorry for the people I pushed out. I'm the type to have bulletproof proof and still gotta pull out. And that's just me and I ain't worth it. I am safe, but I am worth it. Little. Oh my, oh me, oh my. I think I have kissed too many women from the 3 or 5. It is legalized, girl. Getting bust like a motherfucker. Saying they nervous. Getting just like a motherfucker. Damn, that's a motherfucker. I don't listen to you. Cause I don't like being lied to. Yo, won't sell. Homie, I don't doubt you. Daddy talking through the window like it was a drive-through.